Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by measuring where MB go, open settings and view data usage so you know the biggest consumers. Once done, enable System Data Saver to limit background transfers and connect to Wi-Fi right away to avoid cellular costs. Make sure to restrict background data for social apps and auto-sync. That stops unseen uploads. This combination gives immediate MB relief and a baseline to track progress while you move to targeted reductions in the next step. You now tackle the biggest drains, streaming and media uploads. Turn off autoplay for videos in every app and set upload and download quality to low or 480p when on cellular. That cuts MB dramatically. Next, download maps and playlists on Wi-Fi for offline use and compress photos before sending. Also, adjust app sync intervals to less frequent checks. These steps reduce repeated transfers and give you predictable MB use, so your monthly allowance lasts longer. You finish by locking in habits and monitoring. Set daily or weekly usage alerts at 50% and 90% of your plan so you react early, and configure app updates to Wi-Fi only. Once done, uninstall or limit apps that still consume heavy MB. If you see an unexpected spike, check background usage per app and force stop or restrict that app. If problems persist, reset network settings. It often clears rogue processes. This ensures sustained MB savings and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.